You how to create a good wedding invitation card, but we are using Pixel app. So head over to importing our background, click on this plus icon from gallery, then it will lead you to where your file is. Already you know you get some of this background from Pinterest, so you choose any background of your choice. Background is here, so you have to change the image size to a good size. So this is it. Okay, it's good now. So we start inputting our the information to this background. So let's click on text, then click on this wedding invitation. Click on wedding. Use a good color that will visible, that will rhyme. Then find a good font. Find a good font of your choice. On this one. So let's increase it a little.
Who remove all these things? Who disconnected this thing?
If you want to use the same font, you can just copy it, then edit what you've written to add another one. Okay, you can actually change the font to make it a little bit easier. Wedding invitation. Right again. Change the color. Make it a little bit bolder. A little bit bolder. That is, if you like, you can. If you don't like, you can actually click this one to reduce it, to take it back to like this, of our beloved son and daughter. So we input the names of the couple. Font. We've chosen our font, Ali. Find a good color. Remember, the color we'll be using must be running with the background. As you're watching, you see that this background is moving, so to prevent it, we're gonna block it to avoid distraction, so it's no more moving. For beloved son and daughter, can make it bolder. So we continue with the writings. Change the color. Put it off a better position. So you copy it and put another name to make it. You can put the name. So we'll head over to the next process. The next thing, can actually because I want to put a line there. Instead of drawing, you can use a shape instead, so it will be perfect. Select it, then pull it down. I think the thing is a little bit big. Reduce the size again, reduce it and put it like this. Then you can change the color. Because I will be using something like this. 8 here. Start a good date. Reduce the size so it can actually fit in, and here think a little, then position it well, then copy this thing to put it down here. Change the color of the text because looking at it is already forming a color like black. Make it black and make it a little bit bolder. I guess we are already finishing up with it. I'm done with this one. Then reduce the size to make everything right and fitting. Change the color. I think we should bold it. Just why we are done visiting, just when you are done learning, you can actually try yours out with a different background and different name, text. Should reduce the size. So already here, then we can find color here to another color that will fit in. Guess we should try blue. Should try it, no, try this one. I guess then add this text here. We'll head over to the next one, next item. We already added it. To add the next item, the size. Shifting this thing. Reduce the size. Change the color. Make it a little bolder. Yes, so the next item, that's the reception, because every wedding has a reception. Reduce the size and choose a good font for this. So we put the next item. Now we are done with this reception, and I think everything is already done here. So let's input the time. Now we are done. So let's add the date. Let's design it more. Let's add like something like a ring at the top of this wedding to make it more fancy. Like I said, you add a little bit design to it. Let's add something like a ring to this thing, and this ring I've already gotten it from Pinterest. I removed the background with so let's add it, reduce it, reduce it again. Let's use this so that we'll not reduce it that much. We use here, then use this position drag to position it where at the top of here, and this is it. Our wedding invitation card is ready. Thank you.